My freshman year of college, I transferred to Saginaw Valley during the winter semester. I started off at a community college, and it wasn't the experience that I was looking for. And so I enlisted in the United States Marine Corps in November of 2003. Went to Saginaw, finished my freshman year of college, and then went to recruit training in San Diego for that first year summer vacation, if you will. The second year, after my second year of college, was the School of Infantry back to California for 2 more months of infantry training. And then after my third year at Saginaw, my unit deployed to Fallujah, Iraq. You know, my grades really were different after the deployment. I think there was more focus, more intentionality, and especially working with faculty more as a senior level student, you know, having that drive. And so I was able to get more involved with leadership in campus recreation, from not just supervising intramurals, but then some of the group exercise. Fast forward a year, I was graduated in December of 2008, and then was lucky enough to start my career there. So I graduated with exercise science, worked with some amazing faculty members, Lynn Grant, Paul Ballard. It made me aware that what collegiate recreation, or really sports management as an industry, was the opportunities there were. So it really opened the door for what this could be as opportunity. Campus recreation is such an important aspect to the student's college experience. And I was fortunate enough to have those experiences as an undergrad, and then be able to create and foster those and enhance the experience for others has always been the driving force for me.